how to use the Design tab in Microsoft Word. If you are still changing your documents' fonts, colors, and heading styles one paragraph at a time, you are wasting serious hours. Instead of manually tweaking every single page, you can overhaul the look of your entire document in a single click. So today we are unlocking the power of Design tab in Word to build professional, coordinated documents instantly. So before you touch the Design tab, ensure your text is mapped using the basic styles on the Home tab, like heading 1, 2, and title. And once those anchors are set, click the Design tab right over here, and we can start. So on the far left, click the Themes dropdown. Hovering over options like Centered or Facet will instantly swap your document's entire color scheme, font pairings, and layout structures simultaneously. Right next to Themes, you will see a large horizontal gallery called Document Formatting. These are style sets. Click through them to instantly shuffle how your headings look, whether you want a clean modern sidebar line, or a bold minimalist layout, or a centered formal look. Because these tools change the entire document file globally, you never have to worry about mismatched fonts or inconsistent spacing across pages. And once your typography is locked in, you can fine-tune your color palettes using the individual colors and fonts drop-down menus directly to the right of your style gallery. As you can see, we have colors and fonts right over here. Choose any you wish. So click also the watermark to instantly overlay a faint, confidential, or do not copy stamp behind your text. There you go, watermark, and choose the one you want. There you go. Right next to it is the page color, which is perfect for changing your digital canvas from blinding white to an eye-friendly sepia or dark mode hue. And finally, check page borders right over here to open a detailed properties menu where you can snap professional geometric borders or frames around your document's perimeter boundaries. That is it. Enjoy customizing, and this is how you build a perfect combination of colors, fonts, and layouts. Thank you guys.